I'm going to be showing you how to get to the new planetarium and how to get out. Like, there's a pretty secretive way. So, let's get into it. You're going to need a grappler, any light source, but a glow stick might be the best if you have a hip holster, a backpack, like collect broccoli, and pickaxe. So we just head over to the mines. There's green broccoli and pink broccoli. The pink broccoli makes you really small, which you'll need to get out of the planetarium quickest. Okay, so you just want to head all the way down and drop down here to all the way to the bottom. Once you get in here, make a left and then go straight. You should see like this over here, a cord and like some bridges. So now when you get here, the bridges that are held up by ropes, like right when you step on them, they start to fall. So you want to use your grappler to maneuver around them. Okay, so obviously this is the planetarium. You'll need your grappler to get around here, but you can't fall really. You just like, yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna be collecting some broccoli. This green broccoli makes you pretty big, as you can see. The more you eat, the bigger you get. Oh, this is the pink broccoli. This makes you small. Okay. This should be enough. Okay. And then this pink planet over here is where you can get the crystals that can give you research points. So let's just line up these. Oh, I've got a research point. This might be one of the best methods of farming research points. So, once you're done mining and collecting rock and everything, what you want to do is go over to the earth with 2 pink broccoli. I have some in my backpack. No! Okay, well, we don't really need that. Take these 2. Oh, don't go. And then, just get really small. Then you're just going to want to head over, if I can, to this area. Then you'll be really big once you get here. Well, okay guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this one, then make sure to subscribe and like the next one.